I'm recording. Are you going to cry now? Nope, it's going to be quiet. Bet you're doing a poo. I don't know. Wait, oh my god, I can't believe you've shut up again. You're supposed to cry for pop. That's funny. Pigeon. Yes.
Poppy. Cry for Poppy.
Huh? Come on, wake it up. Wake it up. Huh? Oh, damn. What is he, a camera person? Take the camera away and he screams, put it back on and then he doesn't. Ah, yes. Oh, what's the matter, huh?
I'm just getting paperwork organised.
That'll do.